guys, welcome back to my channel. I am jumping award shows. I'm watching The Voice and I'm watching The X Factor. I'm doing my best to watch all of the audition ones and react to as many of them as possible. I am going to be watching the full episodes as well though, because I know that some of them are going to slip through and I just want to stay caught up with them. But I will be posting as many reactions as I can to both shows. If this is your first time watching, welcome, join the family. I had a lot of fun reacting to America's Got Talent with you guys, and so many of you expressed interest in watching The Voice and The X Factor UK, so we're doing both, and I'm excited. I'm about to watch Ignatious, I can't pronounce his last name, I'm about to watch okay, woo! I'm about to watch his Voice blind audition. I'm mixing up my shows. I'm like Ryan Seacrest filming Regis and Kelly in LA and then flying to New York to do Idol. Or is that vice versa? It's vice versa. I'm going crazy, okay? It's enough. Go. Yes. Jennifer? Yes. Cool. Someone. Oh, no. Different version. Ooh. This voice. Go high. Go high. Yes. Woo! Yes! Someone! Who? Ooh. Are you guys kidding? You guys are extra. Yes, you had to. You had to. That no. No. You played yourself, Blake. And Adam and Miley. You played yourself.
Turn around. Yes, I did. You did. Yes. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Wow. I can't believe that's you.
Wait.
It's me, man.
Who is it?
Okay, I'm gonna tell them the story real quick. Do you know who this is, Blake? I recognize him. It's Ignatious. This dude won the Snapchat competition for The Voice. Oh, wow, that's your guy. And he actually, by winning that, earned an opportunity to come and audition in the blind audition today.
Nice.
As awkward as it is that I didn't turn for you, I got my heart broken on the last one. So I was very sad and I was in protest. So this is actually great, because I get to redeem myself for not turning around.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
I get to redeem myself by making sure that I can help you make the right choice. And the right choice is Jennifer Hudson.
Yes. Correct. Correct.
You did great, man. You did great. You did. Jennifer Hudson, everybody.
How long have you been singing?
I've been singing since I was 4 years old, so I grew up just like you, singing in the church.
Wow. I felt like you were singing to my heart or something.
I was.
Oh. Like I couldn't even get out of my seat to even clap because I was so still caught up in it.
Yes.
You almost sound like a saxophone with words.
I play saxophone.
Hey. I could hear that. I'm speechless. I don't really know what to say to you, but that's how much you blew me away.
I've never seen her like this. I didn't say something. Who do you think is your coach?
No.
Ignatious, when you're singing full voice, it is incredible. But when you switch into
that high,
clear, and pitch perfect falsetto,
woo!
It's like listening to a record.
Yes.
The fact that you're able to do that effortlessly in this situation congratulations. How cool would that be to see you go from Snapchat to the blind auditions, making it onto this show, and then standing up there in the finale? What an incredible
Yes.
thing that would be. I have one job on this show, and that's to try to take somebody to the championship.
How does he doing?
The way you move this woman, I don't know how you can go any other way. I'm standing behind this chair because this is the one that I think you should be with.
Wow.
Thank you. I appreciate
Ignatius, I don't want his motives that he has right now to derail you from making the right choice here.
I'm seeing clear, Ignatius.
This is... I've been doing this a long time.
My perspective
man.
is not clouded by anger or rage. I am purely saying to you, Blake Shelton aside, a fantastic coach and a fantastic person.
Oh, here we go.
He's not the right one. I purely, genuinely believe
It's gonna be Jennifer.
this is where your heart is.
He doesn't need Adam to be all extra, but it's gonna be
Don't fall for this longer
Jennifer.
thing that he's doing.
It just makes sense.
Come home. Come on, man.
My whole career has been driven off of my passion, and I'm extremely passionate about you.
Ignatius, it's time for you to pick a coach right now.
Let's go to the finals, buddy. Let's go to the finals. Come on.
That's the devil on your doorstep
Come on.
right there.
Let's do this. Don't fall for that crap. Let's crack.
Jennifer.
Don't fall for it.
She knows. She knows. He knows. Blake knows. Ignatius knows. Ignatius.
This is a hard decision. I'm definitely a fan of all of you.
You gotta be politically correct and say that, but you know who you're gonna pick.
Jennifer.
Yes. Yes. I agree with that. What do you guys think? Right? It just made sense. It just made sense. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.